I found that young people in particular have been very attracted to what a typewriter is. They want to touch it, they want to explore it, and we just thought it would be fun to see how it can connect to their creative interests, and it's a different way of relating to words and their own thoughts. It's not a typing class. We're calling it a play shop,
right,
instead of a workshop, and it was just perfect to do it together with
yeah,
Megan.
Here we are. I mean, I love poetry, and I think that if people come across poetry that knocks them out, they end up loving poetry as well. Maybe they just haven't found what they love yet. So yeah, I think this is a great way to expose young people to poetry.
And it will be on Thursday, October 20th,
Yes,
from 3 to 5 p.m. right here. It's free. And how can they register?
they can go online to falmouthpubliclibrary.org/teens. There's a registration page. We do want you to register just so we know how many typewriters to get, how much snacks we need, all those kind of things. If you walk into the door on October 20th, we will make sure that we accommodate you. But I do appreciate people registering.
Yeah, and I just want to stress that it's not about feeling, are you a poet? Do you want to be a poet? It's just interacting with that way of thinking about language and making it more accessible.